Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Angeli Baroma. I am 39 years old. I am married and I also have one child. I live in Captain Claudio, Toledo City, Cebu, Philippines. About my educational background, I am a third year college undergraduate. And about my personality, I am a very honest person, trustworthy, respectful, and most of all, I am a very hardworking person. I can do my duties with less supervision. My hobbies are I love cooking, I love gardening, I also love singing, writing. I also love taking care of uh, pets. I have pets, cats, and dogs. Um, about my previous employer, I worked as a domestic helper before in Hong Kong for 2 years. And for 2 years, I got two employers. My first employer, that was a family of three, a Chinese family, two adults and one child. The child is 4 years old. And my duties there are do the housework and priority that taking care of the child because he is still a 4 years old. And I worked there for more than 1 year, and I wasn't the contract was being terminated because it is uh, because of the reason that the family of my employer, they moved for good to Canada, so that's the reason that the contract was being terminated. So and that thing, after that, I apply another one and I get another employer, a Chinese family, also a family of three, two adults and one child. The child is 11 years old. And my duties there are do the housework, taking care of the child, do do cooking, laundry, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, marketing, and I also do uh, car washing. I also do car washing on my last employer. But sad to say that I wasn't able to finish my contract. It is because of that unexpected things happen here in my family in Philippines. So I need to go home, and I wasn't able to come back on time. So that's the reason why my contract was been terminated. But my relationship between me and my employer is really good. Only that thing that unexpected things out of the plan that been happened. So so sad that I wasn't able to finish my contract. But Momster, if you choose me to be your helper, I really promise that all my duties I am doing my best to do it all, and I'm hoping that I may able to finish my contract, and I'm so willing to renew if you wish. Thank you. God bless.